Okay, so one of the first things that you may want to do is add a team member to help you with setting up your group. And the way that we do that is a little bit different from other software. What we do is you've got this invite option here, which is inside of members. Click invite and just add their email. Okay, so in this case, I could just add support@communi.com. And you want to use the manual invite option, because if you have a paid group, this manual invite is going to bypass that payment process, so they're going to be able to register without having to pay. If you use this link here, it's going to go to your landing page. If you use this link here, it's going to go to your checkout. That's not what we want. We want to invite a member who can bypass the payment process and start immediately helping us. So you then send an invitation, and that invitation is going to go out. So it's now been sent, and we're now going to have a look at how it looks for the other person. Here's the invitation that will be sent out. I don't have an existing account for support@communi.com, so this shows as a new registration email. It's being sent from the group. It says invitation to join your group name, follow these steps. So that means that your team member will then go here. They will then be able to register using this information right here. So I'll add a quick image. Just going to add a standard image here, save, and we're going to add a full name. So it might be Team Communi. I'm going to add my profession, support help for communi.com. I'll add in a password. It's pre-populated for some reason. And now we'll click save. Now, this is what your member will then see. They'll then go through the same process that you've set up. We set up the onboarding questions, so they're going to go through this, and I'm just going to go through quickly, and I'm going to then submit here, and click complete. Cool. So they're going to then go into the group. Now, they are in the group, and they will be able to immediately post and interact with the group. That's because they've been invited by you, and the process of registration has been bypassed. So there's no need for you to approve them. If we go back to our account here, it still shows my account here, the Communi account here. If we go into members now, and I just refresh, as you can see here, it has this team member. This member. Now, if I log out of this account because it's logged into the new sign up account and I log into my account, we can check this again and we can see that this person has been added as a member. So you can see that flow, how it works. That's how you manually invite people. And we're going to click on this and we're going to click assign role. Then we have a couple of options here. We've got the admin role, which we can assign to them if we wanted them to be an admin. If you have a business partner or someone like that, this is a good option. Or if you have someone that's managing your group, they're able to post, you want them able to approve people, set up things, manager is a good option. And if you want them to handle support, then any messages that come into support will be redirected to their account. Then you can do that and you can tick this. So if I wanted that to happen, I could then click save. In this case, I'm just going to click member. I'm going to click save. And then they leave this member group. They're not a member anymore because they're actually a team member. And everyone inside of your community will now be able to see this person as a team member. They will also be able to reach out to them using this message function right here. And this person then is able to interact with the group with certain permissions that regular members do not have. So that's how you use this. That's how you invite people manually to your group. And this is how you also add team members.